Drawing will be easy. Come with me. Learn how to hold a pencil. Let go of past fear of white paper. In the first step, you'll learn to release your fear by drawing lines. Just draw beautiful lines without thinking. I just want your hand and pencil dancing. Pencil dancing. Unite your hands and your pencil, like a leader of an orchestra. This is the figure technique. Figure's method is to understand the generality and sense of the model. Draw your friends in just seconds. Yes, in a few seconds. Enjoy of dancing. Rotate and draw objects in all directions, from dozens of different angles. This girl is dancing in ballet. Just the sense of girl. In the second method, you learn to draw the figures slowly with the contour method. Contour curves. Unlike the figure method, this method is slow but enjoyable, not with your pencil. Don't look at the paper. In the next way, you learn to draw with proportions. You can test with a ruler. Follow the millimeters. We discovered slopes and angles. Slope, angle, distance, scale. Slope, angle, distance, scale. What is the importance of a scale in drawing? The fourth way to learn is to draw a volume. Discover each topic in 4 major volumes: spherical, cylindrical, cubic, and conical. The objects are all made in 4 volumes. For better understanding, practice rotating the volumes, combining volumes to make objects. Nothing object is complicated, because I will teach you analytics drawings. Use the objects themselves instead of imagination and photos. Rotate and draw the object in your hand, accurate and near. Your eye, your hand, and your mind, our triangle should be united. For this you can pass this master fundamental lessons. You understand the intensity and direction of light shading. How is the shade shape created? How does light dance in your hand? See technical notes and geometry of light and shadow. How does light shadow? What is the cast shadow and how it's created? Sunlight or other light? What is the highlight? How do shadows and objects affect each other? How do the cube and cylinder shades to each other? Cube on cylinder, cylinder on cube, sphere on cube, cube on sphere. How much shade is of gray for shadowing? Is it with thousands of dark and light? No, just 3 degrees of tonalities: black, gray, and white. How light shades on fabric? Again, 3 degrees of tonality. How do light or broken surface change light? Look at the glitter and shining of the glass. Practice sharp reflections on the glass. What is the hasher? Can shading be done? Yes, it's possible. Draw a portrait with hasher. Draw eye shadows so that it looks real. The eyes are most important and attractive part of the human face, so that the details drawing correctly. What is the realistic drawing? Wait a while to practice the basics of shadow. Realistic drawing is the best step in shading. Understand the texture of object. Learn the perspective with a simple practice. There is 2 important rules of perspective: shorter and smaller. When we are far from everything, create perspective. What 2-point and 3-point perspectives have to do with drawing? Do you want to see the volumetric rotation again from a perspective? Understand the perspective by bringing things together with hundreds of varied and engaging exercises from real subjects. You have fruit basket for exercises: apple, pomegranate, lettuce, cucumber, animals, humans, objects, and 100 excellent exercises. Everything you have agreed for drawing: panel, eyebrow, nose, eye, lip, hair. See the drawing tools. Of course, drawing with anything, even a simple pencil, because it's important to feel, not the tool. In this course, I will show you that feeling is important. You're feeling better than tools. It matters how you feel and your hand pressure. Learn how to measure, estimate the dimensions with a pencil or ruler. Let's try different tools together: pencil, pen, cutter, eraser, blender, contour pencil, charcoal, graphite, pastel, H series, B series pencil. Then analyze the mistakes with red marker. Analyze helps you find your mistakes and not repeat them in the next exercise. These mistakes will be solved step by step in this training. Take photos of your family and draw them. You can surprise your family and give them your own beautiful drawing, and also to your friends. Send me your practice to see your progress, and I have a feedback. I'm Hoshen, artist and designer. Learn drawing skills and change your job and your life. Follow the simple exercises of this course. carefully. I will send you the answers to the questions. Change your mind about drawing. Become a beginner to a professional. This course is to your drawing needs. All of the contents of this course is easy to draw using the step-by-step method based on your goals. Draw with your pencil, with your hand, with your sense, with your feeling, with your eyes. So break your fear right now. Master course with clear content.